Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $250 per day passive income. Set it up once, forget it, move on, let it rock. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and get started in on this video here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. My name is Kevin Lehner with Freedom Motivator, and if this is your first time here to my videos and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, well, reach down there right now while we're thinking about it, talking about it. Just hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos. Okay, alright, let's go ahead and get started right in on this video here today. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here to this site right here, and it's called Redbubble. Redbubble is a site where you can upload designs or make designs on all kinds of things. It's similar to like Etsy. Put designs on clothing and so on and so forth. And by the way, this is all, like I said, 100% free. You would just come over here and you'll see when you get to redbubble.com, which you'll see over here, address bar right here. It's redbubble.com right here. And what you want to do is you want to come here and get signed up. It's free. All it takes is your username and an email address and a password. Make sure you save that so you don't forget it, okay? And then, but yeah, you can put designs that you create, or I'm going to show you how you can get free designs that you can use to create on these particular articles that they have here. Clothing, they got stickers here, all kinds of stickers, car stickers, helmet stickers, phone cases, iPhone and Samsung, all phone cases, wall art, all kinds of wall art, home and living, everything to do for the home. Clocks, you can put designs on comforters, you can put them on floor pillows, mugs, tapestries, all kinds of stuff. Got all kinds of children's things that you can put designs on, and all kinds of accessories, socks and bags and masks and all kinds of things here, and travel mugs, water bottles, and stationery and gifts and so on and so forth. I mean, it's just endless what you can put designs on and sell for free right here on this website. And the nice thing about this website is you don't have to worry about shipping, you don't have to worry about refunds, you don't have to worry about anything to do with customer service, and all you do is you just load it up and put your stuff on this site and it sells it for you. They sell it for you on this site. And why would we use Redbubble? Well, let's take a look right up here. If I bring up my SimilarWeb out here off the right side of my screen above my head here, and I scroll this up, you can see right here, guys, that this site gets about 21 million visitors to this site per month. Guys, that's a whole herd of folks that do a lot of shopping on this particular website. So that's why we want to use this particular site here. And so just get signed up and get logged in. Basically, you can create your own store here if you want, and have your store with all of your designs up here, and on all the different accessories and t-shirts and stickers and anything that you want to put designs on and sell them off of this site. There are people that are making several thousands of dollars per month just on this one website alone. Alright, so we can look down through here and some of the different designs you see here that people have uploaded and are selling on what different things that they're selling them on and stuff. And if we come down, we find out that this Redbubble is worldwide. You can do this anywhere from the world. I mean, and they will pay you by either through your bank transfer or PayPal. And if you don't have access to any of that, you can set up with like Payoneer.com, like if you're in a different country or something like that and you don't have access to PayPal or whatnot, or to your ACH bank transfer for your payments, and you can use Payoneer and just set it up with Redbubble site with Payoneer to get paid that way as well. And then some of the pricing here, you can see right here how much that you'll make. You can see right here that they have a markup. They, like for example, t-shirts and hoodies, they have a 20% markup, but you can actually control that and set the markup to whatever you want. For example, you can make even more money, but it raises up the retail price of it as well. So I would say leave it at the 20% markup, and so on and so forth. Probably be the best way to go. for selling these items. Now, you can see that each one, your margin, your sales margin for each item sold here on the clothing. I mean, it just goes down. You got the sticker markup prices here, and you got your phone cases if you want to put designs on phone cases and so on and so forth here. What your markup price is right here on your margin, that's what you make. And then on print and cards, all the different like posters and art prints, canvas prints, frame prints, all kinds of stuff, and you can see your margin of profit right here at the 20% markup, which is all changeable by you. And then also home decor, you can see some of the markup here on your margin of profit, and so on and so forth. And it just goes all the way down here through all of this. And so you can see that you can make a lot of money. I mean, if you sell, for example, if you sold 2 t-shirts or I mean, you know, 10, 15, 20 t-shirts in one day, depending, that's if you just use t-shirt category alone, you could make well over $100. I mean, there should be no problem. The more products that you have for sale on here, you should be able to make way over $250 per day, I would think. As you build up your store over time and you keep putting more designs and on different products on this site, and they market it for you because they drive the traffic right to you. They advertise their site, so they're driving the traffic for you, and then your products are for sale on this site, and you just sit back and let the money continue to roll in. Now, so how would you create a design here on this site? Well, what you do is once you get logged in, you come over here and you can click on where it says sell your art right here, and click on that, and it comes right here, and you can set up your store right here. You can create products, set up your shop right here and different things, and you can see right here how you can get paid, and you can so on and so forth, add your payment details, and we'll go over there real quick like, and I'll show you as of right here where it says your payment currency. It says I want to be paid in, and if you click that down, you can see they'll pay you in Australian dollars, Canadian dollars, euro, pounds, and United States dollars through PayPal or ACH transfer, as you see here, right to your bank account. Now, like I said, you can also use Payoneer with this, but you'll have to set it up with Payoneer and Redbubble to make them work together so they can pay you through Payoneer. Alrighty, that should be done through customer service on each of the sites, and they can connect the two of those together for you. Alrighty, and so how are we going to create a design? Well, if we come back here to Redbubble, what we want to do is we want to click on Add New Work right here. Alrighty, when you click on that, you want to click on Upload to All Products right here, and when we click on that, now I've already went ahead and downloaded a little picture here that I got, which I'll show you where to get free pictures. So I'm just going to use this as an example. It's this parrot right here, and if I click on it, you see it uploads it, and then it shows it right there. It's just a parrot that I picked off of this one site. And where did I get that picture from? You see that that's a PNG file. In other words, it has a transparent background on it, which is what you want to use for like t-shirts and mugs or whatever, you know, tapestries or whatever you want to use in your particular store or what you're setting up here. Well, what I did was I come over to this site right here. It's called Clean PNG, and if we scroll in right here, you see it's cleanpng.com. This is a free site. Doesn't cost anything to get pictures off of this site, and all I did was type in animals in their search engine. I mean, you can type in anything that you can think of that you want a picture or design of, right? So I typed in animals, and it brought up all these, and you can see right here is the parrot that I just uploaded to Redbubble a moment ago. And you can and it just comes down, and there's page after page after page of animal pictures. And I mean, there's even stuff here to do with the 4th of July coming up, which is something you might want to consider. You want to, you know, for any kind of holidays coming up, you want to sort of get ahead of the game and start marketing for the holidays coming up, which you can get more sales on the front end of that. Okay, and then it just goes on and on and on down through there, and so on and so forth. And so yeah, you can get free pictures here. It's just a matter of clicking on it and it loads it up. And you can come down here to the bottom and you can click on free download and download any of these pictures for free off of this particular site. Also, if you want to create your own design, you could come over to Canva, right? Canva is a free site. You can sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account or create a local account right here on Canva and create your own designs, whatever you can think of. I mean, if you have any kind of a funny design that you want to put on, like a t-shirt or a mug or something like that, you can do that right here. And I give a little example of it right here. I created this real quick, like earlier before I start with this video, and all I did was come here, I opened up a flyer type of starting page right here, and then I just clicked on photos, and I just dragged this picture right here over to here, and then I put some text. I clicked on text over here, and they got all kinds. You can even upload your own or change the background or do whatever with all their tools that they have right here. And I just put the picture here and set it up and said I like to hum at 100 miles per hour. And then once you get that done, you want to click on file and come down here and save it. And then you just come over here to the right above my head, and come over here to download, and download that for free right from Canva to your computer. And then you can upload that to Redbubble and set it up on any design that you want there, in t-shirts or mugs or whatever, tapestries or whatever you want to do, in gifts and so on. And this is easy to create here. I mean, it's just simple drag and drop. That's all I did, was drag it and drop it here in Canva and create that. And I simply come over here and I grabbed this heading right here, dragged it over here, and just typed in what I wanted, and grabbed the subheading and drug it over here and dropped it there and typed that in. And then it's just a matter of saving it and downloading it, or making it however you want to do. You can make it look however you want to for free right here on Canva. So you can do it two ways. You can get it, you can just go ahead and get one already pre-made, or you can create your own on Canva. Then what you want to do is upload it to Redbubble, and you get it up on to Redbubble here, and then you want to put a title in for it, and you can put it in English, Deutsch, French, and Spanish. And you want to add some tags here, because the tags are how people are going to find your particular product, right? When they search for, maybe they'll search for birds or animals or something. So your picture or your product design will come up. And then you can give it a little description here. And if we look down here, you can see all kinds of different things you can put that on. Put it on a t-shirt, all kinds of different things. Here's a sticker, phone cases right here, pillows. I mean, look at this, guys. You can just create all kinds of cool stuff here, and it's all for 100% free, and you can just sell them right here on this store. And it's just, once you do it and you upload it to this site and you set it up in your store on this site, and you just continue to add more and more and more designs to this site, guys, pretty soon you'll have a store with probably hundreds of products in there that you like. And it's a lot of fun to do this, and I think there's a lot of people making a lot of money on this site right here. And then you just sit back. Once you load it up, it becomes a passive income. It's set and forget and go off and do something else, and then just a matter of come back and check your account every so often and see how much money you've made over the time. So the chance to make well over $250 is actually quite capable on this site that gets over 20 million visitors per month. Alrighty, well guys, that's what I wanted to show you today, is how this really cool way that you can do this and make money passively, all for 100% free from anywhere in the world. Okay guys, well, if you like this video and seen the value of this, reach out and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel, and showing you all kinds of ways to make money. Also, if you have an affiliate marketing business idea that you have in your mind and you've always wondered, how can I get this set up and get it going online, I just don't know how, well, I have the way to help you do that. Reach down there where you see it says mentorwithkev.com. Come on over and put your name and email into the front part of my funnel, come back through the back of my funnel, and you see what I have available for you there with the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. It'll help you get your business up online in affiliate marketing, making high ticket sales for yourself. Okay? Alrighty guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys have a great day today. Bye-bye now.